Losers always cry about trying their best. Winners go home and fuck the prom queen. I say we head out towards some hotter area than this. Like, just go to gas.
New gas or old?
New. Nothing here. We keep going.
In the front?
They're upstairs.
I'm right behind you.
I'm going all the way up. Got one. Heard him fucking reload.
Are you on the steps?
I'm on. Nope. I'm in a room. To the right of the steps on second floor. First room on the right. First room on the right when you come to second.
Are you healing? Are you healing?
Nope. I'm looting a bag. This guy had a door kicker hat.
So when you went up the stairs to the second floor, you went left or right?
Right. First door on your right.
There's a guy to the left.
Okay, I'm peeking. Got him. He is so thick.
Oh, guy at steps.
I have 52 health.
I'm dead.
I'm so confused. I have 40 health. I can't even move.
I'm so confused.
I gotta get him to come in. I don't hear anybody. These are all level 18. I knew this was gonna cause a problem giving everybody so much money. Look at this shit, dude.
Yeah, I just lost to a P90, so that guy just got the same package I did. Just was like, holy shit. Put my level 5 armor on.
Oh god, it's raiders, dude. They're upstairs. They're all around me.
Everyone you love around you is dying.
What is happening? I should be dead. Oh god, I'm in trouble. They're fucking pushing me. I know there's another jack wagon here. I'm not sure where he's at. Okay, someone's on the stairs still. I heard him that time. Dude, I prepared like 5 limbs. I'm still alive somehow. Nobody even came to marked. Oh, there's a docs case. It's a GP coin. I'm gonna go find Rashala, dude. What the f... Did they come over here, I wonder? I think Rashala might be in 2. That's what I'm thinking. I'm going over right now. Going into 2. Oh. Alright, I got Rashala. Got the other one. Come on, give me a card or something, Rashala, you pussy. Lapse card and Bitcoin. Legend!
So glad I died. I shouldn't have just keep pushing the hallway. I lose fucking. I
Oh,
had set.
I found him. He was upstairs hiding on second floor in the back corner.
Pressure missile.
Level 9.
It's raining. I don't like the rain.
I hate the rain, dude.
That's
Head
why
into
I've
the
done
car.
so much.
I hit F on car. And I'm a Legon. Yes? 14,852. A tick.
She can dance, she can swing that.